Lo and behold, revolutionize your whole industry within your first 40 days of trading. It almost sounds like the perfect recipe for another highly deceptive digital media scam. But turns out it's a tiny portion of the results achieved by Fenty Beauty's launch marketing strategy framework that took the beauty industry by storm. They went from a challenger brand to the incumbent position at a remarkable speed. LVMH and come to play small. The framework in question didn't include impossible influencer marketing budget, gimmicks on TikTok, neither desperate moves to capture the attention of millennials and Gen Z. Instead, they built a customer promise campaign based on a valuable and memorable message, deliver the brand's promise, expose a customer's pain point, position Fenty's unique value proposition and presented itself as the only real solution, launch an iconic signature product, attract and convert, build brand loyalty, all while embarrassing its competition. That's a well-articulated go-to-market strategy. Want to know the full marketing playbook that forced the likes of L'Oreal, Estée Lauder, and Dior to rethink their strategies? I broke down the entire framework step by step, packed with research data in the video linked down below. And no, you can't find this info on ChatGPT, so do not bother typing.